People who build serious wealth don't depend on one idea. They follow a simple system that grows with them. This is where your wealth grows. Mutual funds, stocks, managed portfolios. But here's the difference. Smart investors don't chase quick returns. They focus on long-term growth. This part gives you stability. It may not look exciting, but when markets fall, this is what keeps your money safe. Then comes diversification. Gold, global investments, real estate funds. This is where portfolios become stronger, but this happens only if it is done carefully. For smart investors, real estate is not an emotional decision. It's practical. It's about owning assets that generate income and grow over time. In the beginning, you focus on growth. Later, you balance risk. And eventually, you protect what you have built. Because wealth is not static, and your strategy shouldn't be either. Each part has a role. Together, they create a strong portfolio. Not random investments, but a proper system. Most people fail because they keep chasing products. What you really need is a plan. If you want to build wealth the right way, start with the right structure.